Black Saturday. This is Black Saturday. Látòkè ń bí yìí. Ṣé la jábọ́ látòkè ń bí yìí? Òkè bridge. Ìjábọ̀ sílẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ o. Ọ̀gbìn ìran àwọn èèyàn tó wà ní bọ́ọ̀sì. Àwọn tó wà ní páàkì bọ́ọ̀sì tó ń múra àti lọ́tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ̀rọ ìran wọn dúró Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run o.
Reports reaching the news desk of Open Television Nigeria (OTN News) have it that panic gripped the Agege area of Lagos earlier today after a fully loaded truck veered off the Penn Cinema Bridge and plunged onto two commercial minibuses known as Korokwe, waiting below at the busy Agege bus stop. According to eyewitnesses, the truck lost control while approaching the bridge, crashed through the barriers, and came crashing down onto the buses, causing chaos and sparking fears of casualties. Emergency responders, including officials from the Lagos State Traffic Management Authority (LASMA) and other rescue teams, have since rushed to the scene to manage the situation, evacuate the injured, and clear the debris. Although no official casualty figures have been confirmed, as at the time of filing this report, multiple passengers were reportedly trapped and injured, with some rushed to nearby hospitals for urgent treatment. Authorities have launched an investigation into the cause of the accident, focusing on possible brake failure or reckless driving. Today's incident once again highlights the growing concerns over road safety and the need for stricter enforcement of heavy vehicle regulations on Lagos roads.
Thanks for watching OTV.